Welcome. This videos we're going to practice a short English speech about the Vijayadashami, the history and the purpose of that celebrations. It may useful for students, teacher who is going to give a speech on the school functions. So let's start. Dear students, today we gather to celebrate Vijayadashami, the trump of good over evil. This festival commemorates Lord Rama's victory over Ravana, symbolizing the victory of knowledge, honesty and dharma over ignorance, arrogance and adharma. The essence of Vijayadashami lies in the pursuit of knowledge and the continuous learning process. It is a reminder that education is not just about acquiring information but also about developing wisdom, character, and ability to discern right from wrong. As students, you are the future of our nation. The knowledge you acquire today will shape your tomorrow and the world around you. Therefore, it is imperative to embrace learning with passion, curiosity, and thirst of our knowledge. Remember, learning is not destination but journey. There will be challenges and obstacles along the way, but with perseverance, dedication, and the right attitude, you can overcome any hurdles. Let us strive to be like Lord Rama, embodying the qualities of courage, compassion, honesty, and unwavering determination. May we all be inspired by his example to strive for excellence in our studies and in all aspects of our lives. Happy Vijayadashami. Have a nice day.